Tyler, GoPro. That one and the other one.
Clear that side rod. Clear that
Clear the
left
side.
rod.
King Cat tournament. Hooked up.
He's running back left.
Net. What? Might be a good under.
I got him wrapped around his dorsal fin.
Having battery trouble. It's real cold this morning. February 18th. King Cat. Alright, King Cat tournament, guys. Hooked up on the first one. That's a pretty good first fish right there to start the morning. Oh yeah, look at him. Happy face on that fish. So, there it is. Show him the camera. Nice little 20-pound blue cat, I'd say. Add some weight on top of our bag. Yeah, big old mouth on him. Let him grow, gotta let him grow.